Here's all you need for my pigs in blankets. Get yourself some nice tasting bacon. I've gone for smoked Streaky because it adds a bit of extra flavour, that smokiness. Some cocktail sticks and some sausages, of course. First thing we're going to do, get your sausage and then take the skin off. If you're anything like me, for some reason I don't like to eat the skin, but if that's your idea of nutrition, then feel free. Next thing, have a bowl of water, just wet your fingers and just dab it on your sausage meat. I'm going to cut these in thirds because they're quite thick sausages. Obviously, depending on the size of your sausage, adjust accordingly, and then just mould it round until it resembles the little sausages we associate with pigs in blankets. Then, it's your Streaky bacon. I'm going to be using about a third for each little blanket. And what to do to make it go further, just get your knife and just do that along your bacon and you'll find it stretches it out. Don't need to put any great pressure on it, just go along it and there you go. Then obviously wrap it round your little sausage you've just made, and then to make sure that your bacon doesn't unfurl while it's cooking, you go in with a cocktail stick, and then that is going onto a baking tray lined with greaseproof paper. When you've done the fiddly bit of preparing them, you're going to put them in a preheated oven at 160 for around 15 minutes. When they've been in the oven 15 minutes or so, depending on your oven, they're going to look something like that. Now if you're like me, I like them well done and crispy. But if you don't, eat them like that, otherwise get your pan out. Into a pan with a dash of oil, then risk burning your fingers by just taking it off your cocktail stick. And you're going to cook them a few at a time until they're nice and crispy. And you've got them looking something like you want. Time to take them out of the pan, put them on some kitchen roll. You don't have to wait for them to cool down because pigs in blankets never last that long. So get your favourite dip or just eat them as they are.